Save your pancreas from damage with these 6 powerful foods. Taking care of your pancreas health is crucial for maintaining various vital functions in our body, including digestion and blood sugar control. A balanced and nutrient-rich diet can play a crucial role in protecting and ensuring the proper functioning of this organ. Knowing and incorporating these foods into your daily diet can be an effective way to promote pancreatic health and prevent diseases. Let's explore the best foods for the pancreas, understanding their benefits based on scientific data. Number 1. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutritious vegetables you can include in your diet, especially when it comes to pancreatic health. It is rich in sulforaphane, a bioactive compound that has demonstrated anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. Scientific studies suggest that sulforaphane can help detoxify enzymes in the pancreas and protect pancreatic cells from damage caused by carcinogens and inflammation. Additionally, broccoli is an excellent source of fiber, vitamin C and K, and minerals such as potassium and calcium, all essential for overall health maintenance. Regular consumption of broccoli can help reduce the risk of pancreatic diseases and improve digestive function, relieving the burden on the pancreas. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is a superfood that offers a wide range of benefits for pancreatic health due to its exceptional nutritional profile. It is a rich source of iron, which is crucial for red blood cell production and oxygen transport throughout the body, and it contains B vitamins such as B6 and folic acid, which are essential for cellular health. Spinach is also loaded with antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help combat oxidative stress, a contributing factor to pancreatic inflammation and chronic diseases. Studies indicate that these antioxidants can protect pancreatic cells from damage caused by free radicals, contributing to the prevention of conditions such as pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. Number 3. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is a highly nutritious food that offers significant benefits for pancreatic health. Rich in dietary fiber, it helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing glucose spikes that can overload the pancreas and contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes. Sweet potato is also an excellent source of beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A, essential for cellular and immune health. Studies show that the antioxidants present in sweet potatoes can help reduce inflammation and protect pancreatic tissue against oxidative damage. If you're looking for a complete life transformation over the next 3 weeks, then you're in the right place. We present you the Smoothie Diet, the weight loss program that is revolutionizing the world due to its speed and effectiveness. Whether you need to lose the last 5 to 10 pounds or you want to get rid of 40 pounds or more, this will work for you. This diet is extremely flexible, so even though this program is 21 days, you can continue using it for as long as you want to lose as much weight as you want. In this program you will receive the complete 21-day weight loss and health improvement program, over 36 delicious fat-melting meal replacement smoothie recipes, shopping lists for each week to make it super simple to get everything you need, and smoothie making tips and prep guide to make sure there is zero trial and error. In addition to receiving 2 more bonuses to further enhance your weight loss. For more information, access the link in the description, or the link pinned in the first comment. Number 4. Carrot. Carrot is a nutritious and versatile vegetable that offers many benefits for pancreatic health. It is especially rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is crucial for maintaining cellular health and the immune system, and it plays a role in protecting pancreatic cells against oxidative damage. Carrot also contains a good amount of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of overloading the pancreas with excessive insulin production. Additionally, the vitamin C and K present in carrots, along with minerals like potassium, contribute to reducing inflammation and promoting cardiovascular health, both important for the proper functioning of the pancreas. Number 5. Grapes. Grapes are powerful little fruits, particularly beneficial for pancreatic health due to their rich antioxidant content, particularly resveratrol. This compound has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help protect pancreatic cells from damage caused by free radicals and chronic inflammation, factors that can lead to diseases such as pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. In addition to resveratrol, grapes contain vitamin C and manganese, which also contribute to reducing oxidative stress in the body. Studies suggest that regular consumption of grapes can improve metabolic health by helping regulate blood glucose levels and increase insulin sensitivity, thereby relieving the burden on the pancreas. Number 6. Plain yogurt. Plain yogurt is a nutritious food that brings various benefits to pancreatic health, mainly due to its probiotic content, which are beneficial bacteria for the digestive system. These probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of intestinal flora, which is essential for good digestion and nutrient absorption, relieving the burden on the pancreas. Additionally, plain yogurt is an excellent source of high-quality protein, calcium, B vitamins, and potassium. Protein aids in tissue repair and maintenance, while calcium is crucial for various metabolic functions. Studies indicate that a healthy intestinal flora can reduce systemic inflammation, which directly benefits pancreatic health. Promoting pancreatic health through diet is an effective and accessible approach to prevent diseases and maintain overall well-being. These foods, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, play a crucial role in maintaining pancreatic function. By adopting a balanced and nutritious diet, you not only take care of your pancreas but also improve your overall health, creating a solid foundation for a long and healthy life. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.